Okay, I now have the body and the frame completely attached to each other. There are actually 34 mount points. Okay, I'm now basically in a position here to start mounting all the pedal assemblies, firewall, and steering column back in place. I've got all the body mounts finished. Right there, there's 2 stainless cap screws there. That's on a tab here with the body. I've got all of the screws underneath. As you can see, there's the sway bar. All the cap screws. There's the emergency brake cables. So it's all bolted together. All my little screws that I had body mounts here. There's a body mount right there. Can't really see it. It's right here. It's a screw with a sheet metal coming through a tapped hole into the frame. And again, I have 2 more right here. And 1 here on this tab. So here's the other 2 that you just looked at. Another one on this tab. 2 more here, and here, and there, and then there's another one right over here on the other side of my little charcoal canister, which is plumbed up. So everything seems to be all in place, and now I need to work on getting everything ready to go back in it.